Hello everybody. So I'm back with a little friendly reminder video for you all. We have received quite a few complaints here lately over the last couple of months about agents not following the showing instructions. So consider for a moment that you are a young mother with your children, you're a stay-at-home mom, you're selling your house, and in the agent remarks it says that you need notice before someone comes and shows your property. Imagine that you are sitting there feeding your children and all of a sudden a realtor walks through the door without knocking. Just comes on in. You'd be a little startled. We've heard lots of stories similar to that and some worse, like people leaving a house completely unlocked. There's a lot of liability that can happen with that, and it's extremely important that everyone follow the showing instructions. You should provide the level of care with the property that you would if it was your own listing. You need to make sure that everybody is aware of what's going on. If the showing instructions in the listing say see private remarks, you need to pay attention to that, please, because what we're seeing is that a lot of the listing agents are upset because there's not enough notice being given, property is not being cared for whenever they're in the property. A lot of clients also want the advance notice so that their realtor can come and make the property ready, turn the lights on, open the blinds, that type of stuff. So please, we're urging you to follow that part of the process to the T, because it's extremely important that as realtors you show respect for your clients as well as other people's clients, so that the realtor image as a whole can stay as good as it can be. And we don't want any kind of potential liability issues floating around within our marketplace. Also, this is part of our rules too. So if we hear of too many issues like this coming up, our MLS board would possibly look at strengthening some of that part of our language and our rules. So everybody, if you would please just take this as a reminder, follow the showing instructions, and I think it works to the benefit of your client as well as the listing agent's client, and hopefully that makes our marketplace a little bit better. If y'all have any questions, please reach out. Thanks.